Hi everyone. Hi ma'am. My name is Sanimark Magnate and I am the first reporter of Ponyfish, or what we call Layagnatus iculus. Layagnatus equala, the common ponyfish, is a species of marine refined fish, a ponyfish, from the family Layagnatidae. It occurs the brackish marine waters from the East Africa to Fiji in Indian and Western Pacific Ocean, Red Sea, and Persian Gulf. So let's talk about the cardiovascular system of ponyfish. The Layagnatus commonly known as a ponyfish or sapsap, has a cardiovascular system typical a teleus fish. So first we have this heart structure. The ponyfish has two-chamber heart as is a common in fish. We have atrium, vertical. Atrium receive the oxygenated blood from the body. So amo ni sa ang receive sang oxygen blood from to the body. So second we have a vertical. Vertical pumps the blood to the gills from the oxygenation. So amo ni sang pumps sang blood to the gills sa oxygenation. The heart is located near in the base of the gills in a pericardial cavity. Number 2, blood flow. The oxygenated blood pathway, blood from the body flows into the sinus venosus, a collecting chamber, that into the atrium and vertical. So oxygenation. The vertical pumps blood to the gills via invertebral aorta. In the gill, capillaries gas exchange occurs. Oxygenated blood pathway. Oxygen-rich blood flows from the gills to the rest of body through the dorsal aorta. 3. Gill circulation. The gills are highly vascularized and oxygen diffuses into the blood while carbon dioxide diffuses out. So, adaptions. Compact hair provides efficient blood pumping despite the small size of fish. Gill efficiency. A fish that inhabits both coastal and estuarine waters, its gills adapt to varying oxygen levels. So we have blood oxygen infinity. When you say blood oxygen infinity, likely tone to cope with the sometimes hyposec environments where ponyfish may be found. Special feature in ponyfish. Layognathosicolus is a bioluminescence and its cardiovascular system support in light organs system by ensuring oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the associated tissue. So let's talk about the digestive system of ponyfish. Digestive system adapted for its diet, which primarily consists of small crustaceans, polychaetes, and small fishes. The fish species has a typical digestive structure that facilitates the breakdown of these foods, allowing efficient nutrient absorption. Additionally, ponyfish are known for their schooling behavior in inhabit coastal water, often found in brackish environments. Their role in ecosystem includes serving as a food source or larger predators and contributing to a local fisheries. So, amo na siya ang picture and I want to i-describe ko ni siya. So, first we have mouth. Mouth is to consume the food. So, ang mouth na siya, amo na siya ang ga-consume sang food nga ginakaon sa isda. And then esophagus, regulating the entry water and food. So amo ni sang ga-regulate kung magsulod na ang tubig kag ang pagkaon sa isda sa sulod sa tiyan. Pyloric cecum, secrete enzymes and provide additional digestive area to the intestine. Stomach, all storage of food, initiations of protein digestion, inactivation and pathogen and controlling Kim release the intestine. So sa stomach, dili na siya gatipon. So ang mga food and mga protein and digestion, invasion and pathogen and controlling amo ni sa ga-control sa ga-release sang intestine. So sa pharynx, which has both digestive and respiratory functions. And gills allows to breathe underwater. So ang gills amo na siya to no. Makita naton ang gills are siya ay what we call that ang aton nga has or hanghasang. Gallbladder produce bile which stored in the gallbladder until bolus passes the stomach. So sa gallbladder naman, so siya ay medyo nga red. And the liver, processing the storage of nutrients and cytosis and enzymes and other cofactors build in formation and in creation and metabolism of synabiotic compounds. So sa liver naman, so siya ang liver, siya ay, kung makita nyo, and amo ang processing sang storage of nutrients kag sa other factors by information the in creation of metabolism compounds. So sa pancreas naman, exocrine secretion of digestive enzymes, proteases and lipases and carbohydrates in the intestine. So sa pancreas naman, so sa ang pancreas, so siya ay makita niyo. So sa dugamay lang siya. Intestine. What are the electrolyte balance and endocrine regulating in digestions and metabolism and immunity. So and then ang anus, indigested substance are passed to the exterior through the anus of most teleus fishes. So sang anus ay do sa buli sang isda, diri na sa indigested ang mga tae sang isda. So let's talk about the endocrine system of ponyfish. So endocrine system is similar to other vertebrates involving hormone product for various physiological function. Research on its biology, including growth patterns or reproductive aspect, remains limited, particularly in regions like South Sulawesi, Indonesia. Understand its endocrine mechanism may provide insights into the adaptation and ecological rules in marine environments. Key endocrine feature of Leiognathus iculus. Pineal gland. Like other vertebrates, and pineal glands in a ponyfish plays a role regulating circadian rhythms and hormonal activity, particularly melatonin production. This influences their light-emitting organs. Bioluminescence organ control. Ponyfish has a specialized light organ symbiotically housing bioluminescence bacteria or Photobacterium. The endocrine system interacts with the nervous system to regulate the activity of this organ, which is used for communication, camouflage, or mating. Reproductive hormones. Hormones such as gonadotropins and 6 steroids regulate reproduction in this fish. They exhibit sexually dimorphic light organ control, with the males often displaying more pronounced bioluminescence during courtship. So 4, stress response. Like other teleost, the hypothalamic pituitary internal HPI axis is involved in stress response, mediating cortisol release that impacts their behavior, potentially their bioluminescence signaling. 5, thyroid hormones. A thyroid hormones, thyroxine, tridothyroinin, play a role regulating metabolism, development, and growth. These hormones may also influence the light organ and directly through the metabolic control. So let's talk about the immune system of ponyfish. The immune system of a ponyfish family Leiognathide, like that the other teleost fish, consists of both innate and adaptive immune components. So this is the image of fish immunity system. Innate immune system. The innate immune system is the first line of defense in the pony fish, providing non-specific protection against the pathogens. So, ang innate immune system, so are siya guys, ang immune systems. Ang first nga lines nga ga-defense ang pony fish kaga provides ang non-specific protection against pathogens. So, sa physical barriers, skin and scales. The outer layers of the skin is covered the mucus, which contains antimicrobial peptides and enzymes that inhibit pathogen entry. Mucosal surface found in the gills and gastrointestinal tract provides a barrier against pathogen in aquatic environment. So, cellular components. Macrophage engulf the digest pathogen through the phagocytosis. Granulocytes includes the neutrophils and eosinophil. It involved the inflammatory response to pathogen destructions. Natural killer or NK cells target the kill in virus and infect the abnormal cells. Humoral components complements a system, a group of proteins that enhance phagocytosis and ice pathogens. Lysozymes. Enzymes present in mucous, serum, and tissue that break down bacterial cell walls. Cytokines, signaling proteins like interleukins and interferons mediate immune response. Adaptive immune system. The adaptive immune system is more specific and involves memory for a long-term immunity. Lymphoid organs. Thymus located near the gills where lymphocytes mature. Kidney, pronephros, and mesonephros function as a primary hematopoietic organ providing immune cells and act as a secondary lymphoid organs. Spleen. Secondary lymphoid organ involved in antigen presentation and immune cell activations. Cellular components. Lymphocytes are involving in cell-mediated immunity recognizing killing effective cells. B. Lymphocytes produce antibodies for humoral immunity. Antibodies. Immunoglobulins primarily and found the Teleus fish functioning a pathogen neutralization and opsonization. Immune organ and tissues. Gills, important sites for immune responses due to the constant exposure to waterborne pathogens. Mucosal, associated lymphoid tissue, mouth includes gill-associated lymphoid tissue gullet, the skin-associated lymphoid tissue salt, contributing to mucosal immunity. Immune modulation in aquatic environment. Temperature and salinity environmental factor can influence immune response in pony fish, affecting inactivity enzymes and immune cells. Pathogen exposure. Constant exposure to waterborne bacteria, viruses, and parasites challenges their immune system. Pathogen exposure. Constant exposure to the waterborne bacteria, viruses, and parasites challenge their immune system. So sa muscular system, so amo lang to guys akon nga, so amo lang to everyone ang akon nga report, and then ang muscular system amo na silang mapadayon sinay Hanika and sinang Marjorie. So thank you for listening. Bye.